Welcome back, queens and kings, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, I will be giving you guys a tour of all the areas that I did decorate in my home and telling you guys about them. So if you all would like to see, please continue to watch. Okay, so here for the entryway area, there's not much really going on here. I just have my ottomans there and I have my throw on it because I actually want them to be blue. So that's just giving me an idea look how they may look, but I'm not gonna do it with this fur as a DIY. And I put some greenery up here just to soften it up, to break it up and bring it back alive because it was so cold in this area. Because I have the mirror here, which is a DIY, and I just put my old wreath in, put a heart foam wreath on there and just hung that up to just bring some gold over to this area. Nothing special really. And these little cake stands here, which two of them is a DIY, one of them is store bought or whatever, and I just have my little decorative balls in there that I made last year with Dollar Tree items just to bring some more gold and stuff over here, some ornaments. And then I put these candles in here, which is supposed to be in the middle, and around the candles, those are mug covers or warmers that I purchased from Target. And that's pretty much it for this area here. This is how it's looking now, in which I want to say thank you to you guys who did comment on the video of me decorating this area here. I really do appreciate your love and your support. Y'all left some lovely comments on there, so thank you guys so much. I know a couple of you guys said you were going to do a couple of the ideas that I do have on my bar cart as well. So I did move the ottoman, as you guys seen over there by the entryway, and I removed the candles too because Andre plays a lot in my living room. He throws his balls, his toys, like he bring everything out of his room into the living room. So, and he did knock them over, so I had to place them somewhere else. But I still do have everything here on my bar cart, in which I do love this little simple look. Okay, so for the kitchen area, it's not much in the kitchen. I still have the two towers there. I have a Bath and Body Works candle there, which is Winter Daisy, and this smells so good. And then over here in this area here, my little cake stand, a cupcake stand or whatever, I just have some mugs and everything on it, which you guys know I'm not a coffee drink unless it's this little iced coffee that I found at the Dollar Tree. But that near here, there, and I just got some greenery, a DIY. And this little tower here came from Target Dollar Spot, and just some flowers in there, and that's pretty much it. Just simple, nothing major over here. And then for here, I did use this little tray from the Target Dollar Spot, and then I have another one of those little napkins with the little hearts on it. This little XO sign from Target too, and then I have two different types of pumps, one for soap and one for hand sanitizer or lotion, either or that you want to put in there. And that's pretty much it for the kitchen. Okay, so for the bar area of the kitchen, I did change and place some gold placemats and stuff, mint chargers, not placemats. And then I have these napkins as well as the same ones that I have in the kitchen and over there on the bar. I did not even show you guys that, but they're the same ones. And I have some candle holders and everything, just something simple just to dress this area up. Then I do have this candle burner here from Home Goods. And yes, I'm missing a charger. So I got to get a charger for that area there. But that's all this area is. This is my kitchen. This is how it looks, just plain and simple, nothing major. To my console table here, I just have a little bit of decor over here. A lot of it is basically my family pictures and stuff like that. Up here on the top, I do have this gorgeous bling heart basket that my friend / co-worker gave to me, my lieutenant. And then I just have some of these candles burning from the Dollar Tree, little polka dots candles, just to bring a little more pop of the gold. And down here to the bottom here on the shelf here, I just have some wordings going on, the little XO. Then I have the love, which is an old DIY, just broke apart. And then I have my believe, just to bring some of the blue. And also inside this basket here, I do have some more of those little decorative balls that I made out of Dollar Tree items once again. So this is pretty much what is going on over here. So for the living room seating area is not much at all. I really wanted a simple look for Valentine's Day because I went out so much for Christmas that I really was tired. I really was overwhelmed and everything. So I didn't want to go all out for Valentine's Day, which is not usually what I do anyway. But anyways, in the back there, I just have the little XO pillow that I made out of Target Dollar Spot. The towels, the same little towels that I have in my kitchen with the hearts on it. You can also do the same thing. Just get some polyfoam, the little stuffing to go inside the pillows and make you one. That's it. And glue the edges together. And then I have this little polka dot heart pillow over here with the gold in it. So I thought it brings some of the polka dot from this chair to over here to the console that's behind me. And then on my side table here, some more family pictures and not much. This little love sign, which is, I think I got that from Hobby Lobby or something like that. And I just painted gold because it was pink. And I think you see some of the pink still peeking through. And then my little jar back here container, I just fill it in with some Valentine's Day hearts, some gold ones, which I spray painted. So I have more of like non-tradition colors because I'm not with the pops of pink and red and stuff like that in my house. I'm not that type of girly girl, more like the bling type girly girl. And over here on the love seat, I have the same thing as the pillow on to the sofa. So here for the coffee table, I just have this XOXOXO sign that came from, I want to say Dollar Tree last year. And that's pretty much it. My flower have the little gold, little heart pick in there. And then I use the other heart tray that I have on the bar cart as a little tray over here, and just got some candle holders and family pictures. And down to the bottom, I just have my little XO, little DIY signs that I had made. And that's pretty much it for their area there as well. And as you guys can see, I did place the candle holders over here because it's more sturdier, which this is where I had them at from the get-go. I don't know why I put them about a bar cart, trying to do something different. But over here to the dining room area.
Sorry I can't be with you. However, I couldn't completely miss the chance to take a moment to share some thoughts with all of you. The lesson I cherish the most is how important it is to love what you do. If you love what you do, and it's making you happy, all the hard work and perseverance will pay off. I once had a guidance counselor tell me that I shouldn't play basketball, that it would never amount to anything. His negativity towards me made me strong. You can't stop people from trying to limit your dreams, but you can stop it from becoming your reality. Your dreams are up to you. I encourage you to always be curious, always seek out things you love, and always work hard once you find them. So with that, I'll let you carry on with your evening. Please know I'm thinking of you, supporting you, and encouraging you always.
The dining room area, everything is pretty much still the same how I set it up. I just actually swapped out the mirror charges and put gold just to bring a little bit more gold, because like I said, I'm kind of actually liking the mixed metal look that I have going on. It does give it a different pop of color. Everything doesn't look so bland and stuff like that, but this is pretty much is still the same. Everything's still the same, but I could just go over right quick where I purchased everything from, because I know we do have a lot of new queens and kings, and thank you guys so much for just being a part of the castle. So with that being said, I did have a lot of you guys actually question me about this candelabra, which I did stated in that decorate video. This came from eFavormart. Once again, that came from eFavormart. So it was a sponsorship where a company sent me this, where they wanted me to sponsor a lot of their items because they know a girl like glam, so therefore they wanted me to. So that's where that come from, which I will link it down below as well. Now, my bench is actually a DIY that I did, as well as the chairs. Those are DIYs, which those 3 pieces came from the Goodwill. My dining room table came from Walmart. These gold utensils and stuff came from Tuesday Morning. The chargers are Home Goods. These are, I think, Hobby Lobby, which I had those for my wedding. The navy blue napkins are DIYs. These are DIYs, Target Dollar Spot. This is Dollar Tree, the felt or heart-shaped paper dollies, I think that's what they call. Dollar Tree. The plate, Dollar Tree. The black hearts are Target dollar spots. Both of these are DIY dupes or whatever, Z Gallery or Pure One. And these are some DIY coasters that I made. If you guys want me to show you how I made them, I will show you. Pure One, these gorgeous cards holders are from Totally Dazzle, which I will link them down below as well, so you guys can purchase some of those also. And instead of me just putting a runner down here, which you guys see the table is not that big, I decided to just put some bling going down the centerpiece like it's a runner, and some Confederate hearts and stuff like that. Is that how you say it? Oh well. But anyways, the pepper salt shakers are from Z Gallery. My white flowers are from Burlington. And that is a Dollar Tree ice bucket back there. And that champagne bottle holder is from Ross. Okay, Queens and Kings. So that is it for my home, how I decorated for 2020 Valentine's Day. If you all enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new to the castle. Just stopping by. I would love to have either or, queen or king. So with that being said, you guys continue to be royal and you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.